It's no secret that Amazon is a very convenient website for shoppers. What's less well known, though, is just how easy it is to earn an income on there, and not just as a seller. Granted, selling is one of the most common ways to make money on Amazon, but it's far from your only option. In fact, it's even possible to generate a passive income through the site, letting you earn cash in your sleep. Here are 5 ways to make money on Amazon. Number 1. Apply for Amazon Launchpad. If you sell products that are particularly innovative and you've got an interesting brand story to tell, you could consider applying for Amazon Launchpad. Applications are reviewed on a case-by-case basis, so there's no guarantee you'd be accepted. But if you are, you get access to added selling features like customer engagement tools, the chance to have your brand showcased on the Amazon Launchpad homepage, and strategic support from an onboarding manager to help you develop your business. If you do sell on Amazon Launchpad, you'll need to pay an extra 5% referral fee on top of the standard referral fee on each item you sell. Number 2. Sell old belongings on Amazon. Not sure what to sell on Amazon to make money? Have a look through your old belongings. There are likely plenty of items that you no longer use that you could sell online. In some ways, old belongings actually be some of the best items to sell on Amazon. Not only does it mean your pre-loved stuff goes to a good home rather than a landfill, an important reason alone, but it also means you can cut out the cost of buying or making things to sell and just make a profit from things you already own. For example, when you're finished with a module at uni, you could sell your old books on Amazon to help fund any new ones you need. Just remember that if you do sell used things on Amazon, make sure you clearly and honestly describe the condition they are in. Number 3. Start affiliate marketing. Arguably the top way to make money on Amazon without selling is by joining Amazon's affiliate marketing program. Affiliate marketing involves sharing links to products online, such as on social media or your own blog. Then, if people buy things through those links, you'll be able to earn money from the sales at no extra cost to the buyer. Or, if you have a particularly good following across your social media profiles, you could consider applying to become an Amazon influencer. This would still involve you promoting products and making money from sales, but you would be given your own page on Amazon where you could choose which items to promote. Number 4. Sell crafts on Amazon Handmade. Talented at arts, crafts, or DIY, Amazon Handmade could be a brilliant platform to start selling your art, jewelry, textiles, or just about anything crafty. While this could be a great option for you, it's worth comparing the seller fees for Amazon Handmade. Find them here with the fees on Etsy. Do some sums to work out whether you'd be earning more or less on their per item, depending on factors like your product sales price and the cost of post and packaging. Number 5. Do freelance work for Amazon sellers. Selling on Amazon can take a fair amount of work. Because of this, some sellers will need a bit of help with various aspects of their online store, and that's where you can come in. Even if you're not keen on selling things yourself, you'll have plenty of skills that can help you make money on Amazon. As such, you could work for sellers on a freelance basis. For example, if you're talented at photography, you could offer to take eye-catching product photos for sellers. Or, if you've got a really good eye for detail, you could proofread and edit product descriptions. A lot of people use Fiverr to advertise their freelance services to Amazon sellers. This is a great place to start. So these were 5 ways to make money on Amazon. If you like this video, then please hit the like and subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching.